Hello everyone, welcome to latest update program. The topic of discussion is rare earth permanent magnets. This topic relates to Science and Technology section of the UPSC CSE syllabus. Let's see why this is in news. The Union Cabinet of India has approved a 7,280 crore rupee scheme aimed at boosting the domestic manufacturing of rare earth permanent magnets. This is the first major initiative by the Indian government to develop a fully integrated REPM manufacturing ecosystem. The approval of this scheme aligns with the country's broader goal of self-reliance in manufacturing and supporting green technologies, such as electric vehicles and wind energy. Now let's discuss about key features of the scheme. It includes 6,450 crore rupees in sales-linked incentives over 5 years and a 750 crore rupees capital subsidy to set up a 6,000 megawatt power plant capacity. 5 companies will be selected through global competitive bidding, with each company receiving up to 1,200 MTPA of capacity. The scheme will run for 7 years, including a 2-year setup period for manufacturing facilities. The initiative seeks to reduce India's reliance on imports and strengthen key sectors such as electric vehicles, renewable energy, aerospace, and defense. Now let's discuss about rare earth. Permanent magnets, rare earth. Permanent magnets are some of the strongest permanent magnets, essential for applications in electric vehicles, renewable energy, electronics, aerospace, and defense. The newly approved scheme will facilitate the establishment of integrated REPM manufacturing facilities, covering the entire process from converting rare earth oxides into metals, then into alloys, and finally into finished REPM. As the demand for REPMS surges due to the rapid growth of electric vehicles, renewable energy, industrial uses, and consumer electronics, India's REPM consumption is expected to double by 2030 compared to 2025. Currently, India meets much of its REPM demand through imports. Now it's time to do a practice question. Consider the following statements about rare earth permanent minerals. 1. The 70,000 crore scheme will establish integrated REPM manufacturing facilities that include converting rare earth oxides into finished REPMS2. Rare earth. Permanent magnets are essential for applications in electric vehicles, renewable energy, electronics, aerospace, and defense. Which of the above statements are correct? A. Only 1. B. Only 2. C. Both 1 and 2D. Neither 1 nor 2. Send the answer for this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.